Okay, at this roundabout we're going to take the fifth exit off to the right towards the A563 Leicester East. So on approach, I'm checking my mirrors and putting the right signal on. I can see there's a flow of traffic coming round the roundabout at the minute. They all seem to be coming off at this exit, which is why they've carried on in front. Yeah, I've confirmed that, so we're safe to join. So we can see here from the markings that there is a spiral marking, but because the exit is still behind me, I'm going to need to keep to the right, and then you'll see that says A563 and A6, that's where we're heading. So I'm checking the mirrors just to check there's nobody on the left of me. I'm keeping quite wide, see that heads me towards the A563 and A6 on the floor into the left lane there. Now the lights change, checking the mirrors, signal left.